I'm Tom Miller. I'm the CEO of Tow-Trust Towbars. We are the UK's largest tow bar manufacturer, founded in 1991 as a family-run business. We manufacture over 3,000 part numbers, shipping hundreds of thousands of units a year. The manufacturing process starts in two different types, hollow section and sheet steel. We are currently in the sheet steel division at the minute. This is running the latest in technology. We run laser cutters and automation. We also then pass the products through press braking, weld nuts into the work in progress holding area. We are now in the hollow section division. Okay, this runs the latest technology again. We've got the automated Bystronic Bi-Tube 130 and a custom-built AMOB CH120. It's a semi-automated machine that we had built for us. And this gives us complete control over our product. Very tight tolerances and the ultimate quality. All the products have now passed through the manufacturing phase. So hollow section division's complete, sheet steel division's complete. We're in the work in progress area. We do a sub-assembly quality control process. This then feeds our weld shop. We have 10 manual welding bays. These are for the smaller intricate parts, as well as the low volume production parts. We have 4 robotic bays, and these do all the high volume production. We're now in the design and test area. Our in-house design team will always start with applying for the vehicle mounting point data from the vehicle manufacturer. Once we have this, we have a criteria to manufacture a product to, so we will design a specimen. We will then run that through FEA analysis at the loads intended to check it's capable. Then we will check the manufacturing process through Bystronic software. Once we're happy we can make it and it achieves the loads, we will then make a specimen. Get a vehicle in and check it. We do this for every vehicle on the road. Once we have met all criteria, we will then put it through its type approval phase. We have a single axis test machine, which is 2 million cycles, and a car loss test machine, which is a 93-hour test. All of our parts have now been through production. They go off to paint, where we shot blast, pre-treat and e-coat. This is an industry-leading eco finish with 1200 hour salt spray corrosion performance. Once the parts are back, we send it down our bespoke packaging line where we weigh the product, we band it and we send it through a heat shrink tunnel. The parts then go off into our warehouse. All of Tow-Trust Towbars weld nuts come with a Ni-Coat thread masking system. This reduces any paint build-up into the threads because it's a non-conductive gel. It also stops weld spatter and it also acts as a lubricant when fitting. This all enhances the fitting experience when fitting a Tow-Trust Towbar. Well, we're now in the final stages. This is Tow-Trust Warehouse. We have over 30,000 items at all times in stock in here. This comes with its own challenges. So we commissioned our own warehouse management software. This gives us complete control of our stock management. We scan all goods in and out. So right from point of sale to goods on a lorry, we are in control. The company has come a long way since 1991 when it was founded. My parents set it up in a small workshop in Atherstone. With the continuous improvement plans they put in place and continuous investment, we have managed to become the UK's largest tow bar manufacturer, which as a family we are incredibly proud of.